We are now going to show you how to use the same setting values on several ACBs. We have installed the Hager Power setup software on the computer. Click on the Hager Power setup icon to launch the software. Connect the computer to the circuit breaker with a USB-C cable adapter. Now you are connected to the right ACB 1600 amps 3-pole Sentinel Energy LSIG. Launch the settings menu. See here the current settings of the circuit breaker you are connected to. Click on Save for the next circuit breaker. Connect your computer to the next circuit breaker. Then go back to the settings menu. Click on Load Saved Settings. Click on Send. Confirm. Now you're done. Thank you.